Uyu mukomana anonzi Bombshell amene PAAKATAIKA panapa ndani mashoko auya akabatira ukomana the judiciary achivaudza maoni kuti aiwa makauya and it has been a long time mushandiswa nevakomana the regime aiwa muchiabuse vanhu vari innocent. Zandabina mashoko atakuona kuti chokwadi chakuburitswa pachena kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa along the speech yemukomana anobudanyira taura achiti, we want to tell the judiciary, we are warning you, this has been going on for a long time. Don't be used as a tool by Emerson. You are oppressing people. We fought to have the right to free speech, free assembly, and free association. So you, people of judiciary, it didn't start on Mhlanga. The timbers and the chibayas and the scholars, you jailed them. Justice Malaba, put your house in order. We will come after you. Fellow Zimbabweans, corruption in Zimbabwe has become a norm. Right now we have a company called Agrifora to supply food to the barracks. Unfortunately, as we speak, our soldiers are dying of hunger. They are being fed content used to make pet foods. They don't have meat. Yet the country is forking money every month. The company is fronted by Chief Secretary Shwaya and Willard Manungo sons. Mnangagwa has put his Chiganandas. He is privatizing companies. Companies have been taken away by Kudakwashe Tagwire. Now Zimbabwe POSB have prime targets. Tagwire, we are warning you. We didn't go to the war for you to get monopoly through corruption. We are going to deal with you. Mashoko arikuda panapa achitogwa nemukomana Bombshell achiti aya uko masoja kuma barracks aya vari kudya mapeti foods vana vari kufa nenzara akuna nyama. Mashoko ari kuonekwa kunzi saka musoketi 1 masoja acho achazoramba ari kuside kwethe regime here. Mashoko ari kubuda panapa achiendera mberi achiti by the time Mnangagwa loses power, Zimbabwe will be a shell. Future generations will not forgive us if we don't take action. Mnangagwa is using Tagwire, Wiknochiva, Scott and Tungwarara. Mashoko ari kubuda nyogwa panapa nevakomana vana Bombshell Geza akataura in his address. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.